So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to bold text on Visme. So once you're into Visme, you have to add some text to your design first and foremost. So by doing that, you go to the left-hand side of your screen, go to this top left bar to where there's this T icon and it says text. Press on where it says text. I'm just going to go ahead and edit the text here to where it says Italicize. I'll then make it a little bit larger so that's easier to see. And how about I change the color of it as well, just so it's also, actually that's how you italicize. A little spoiler alert, I'll make the text black right here. So as I just basically just spoiled it for you guys, it's pretty straightforward. Double tap on the text, go to this top bar. Right beside the bold icon and the underline icon, there is sort of this eye that's slanted. This is the italic icon. By pressing on that, you can now italicize the text here in Visme. So pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can italicize text here in Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.